Hello everyone, welcome back. New brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Carx loading problem if you want to play Carx game on iPhone and Android mobile but face loading problem, stuck on loading problems. So how to fix? First of all, go back here, home screen, go back, and after that open your iPhone and Android mobile setting, and from here click on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off Wi-Fi toggle at least the 30 seconds you have turned it on, and after that go back. If you use mobile data, then turn on aeroplane mode at least the 30 seconds you have turned it off, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and open your Play Store and App Store, and from here search for this Carx game. Click on this and make sure that update your app. After update your app, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then open your phone setting, and from here scroll down and click on apps management and click on app setting, and from here search for this Carx and click on this, and from here you make sure that click on cache, click on storage and cache, and click on clear cache and clear storage. After that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the last method, go back and long press on Carx game and click on uninstall, and after a few minutes you have again installed, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am helping more. Thanks for watching.